Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Realme Narzo 50. On the front, you can see the phone's name, and at the back, specifications like processor, battery and camera. So let's open the box. First, you can see the lid with Feel the Power tag. Inside it, we have a SIM ejector tool, documentations like quick guide and safety guide which will give you information about the phone. Next is the transparent back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. Here we have Realme Narzo 50. The phone has a punch-hole display. The device offers a stunning 50 megapixel triple camera setup on its rear side. Also, you can see Narzo branding at the bottom. The phone looks very stylish. You will get USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. Now we have a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme Narzo 50 box. Thank you so much for watching.